This is why. This is why. This is why.
Mr. President, 100,000 Kashmiris have died in the past 30 years because they were denied the right given by the United Nations, the right for self-determination. 100,000 have died, and either you surrender or you fight for freedom till death. What will you do? I ask myself this question. And my belief is, die only in the original war fight one. We will fight. And when a nuclear-armed country fights to the end, it will have consequences far beyond politics. It will have consequences for the world, which is why I repeat it here. Because I'm warning you, it's not a threat. It's a fair worry. It's a fair inherit. And I come here to tell the UN, you've got to. This is a test for the United Nations. This is a test. You are the one who guaranteed the people of Kashmir the right to self-determination. They are suffering because of that. And this is the time. This is the time not to appease like in 1939 appeasement took place. This is the time to take action. And number one action must be that India must lift this inhuman curfew, which has lasted for 55 days. It must free all political prisoners, and especially those 13,000 boys